Arpita here. If you're planning a vacation to a beach destination, or if you're going to a resort where you have to get into the pool, this video is going to help you completely. So keep on watching. This video is requested by Meghna, where she says, show us tips on what to carry while we go to a place where we have beach or some water. So that's what is today's video going to be. Thank you for requesting this video, Meghna. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. When you are going to a beach or a pool, you must have a bag like this. This is big and it will carry many things which you require for a pool or a beach. This bag here, I bought it in an exhibition. This is handmade bag. I love handmade stuff. If you know me, you will know about this. And this one is a little color addition to the bag. This one again is a handmade stuff. So let's get into this bag and let me show you what all to carry. First thing I will not forget is a hat. You cannot go to a beach without a hat. Try to find a hat which is wide brimmed so it will cover a little shoulders and your face from the sun. So hat is a must for you. Then comes sunglasses. You cannot go out without sunglasses. These sunglasses here are my favorite ones from ID. You must have seen these on me in my Instagram pictures. If you're not following me, go ahead and follow me there. Then have a scarf so that if you feel like using it to cover your head, you can. Or you can just wrap it around your waist so it will help you as a small cover up. So have a scarf. Then comes the sunscreen. I generally use Lotus Herbal Safe Sun. This is SPF 30. So you can go for a sunscreen which is waterproof, and SPF from 30 to 50 is the general number you can go for. This is Indian summer formula. It's sweat proof and waterproof, so that's the best one. I'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested to check the product out. You cannot forget water. You carry a water bottle which is comfortable for you. You need to have water when you are going to a poolside or in a beach. You really need that, so don't forget a bottle. When you are getting into the water, you must have a swimsuit. Carry a swimsuit which you are comfortable in, and then try to have a cap like this for covering your hair. If you are going to a resort and getting into the pool, there might be a rule to wear a cap for covering your hair. So don't forget to carry a cap, stretchable cap like this. The next essential is a towel. This one here I have a turkey towel which is medium size. You can even have a large size. This is useful to wipe yourself or wrap it around yourself, or you can just spread it on the beach and lie down or sit on it. This is really useful. You must have this in your bag.
Carry a pair of undergarments in a Ziploc pouch and carry some polythene bags to keep wet garments. I prefer carrying garbage bags as they are big and they don't show anything which is inside.
The next thing you will need is a robe or a cover up like this one. This will help you cover yourself when you are walking to the pool or when you are walking towards the beach. So that will help you a lot. Then you should not forget your snacks. Carry some fruits, some biscuits or cakes. If you are going with kids, double those snacks. So snacks are a must.
Now let's not forget the camera to capture the moments. If you have a smartphone, that equally works as a camera and a phone. Charge it before you head to the beach or the pool.
Those are the essentials when you are going to a beach or a resort where you are planning to get into pool. So those are the things which you have to carry. I hope this video helps you. If this one helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. If you're new here and watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. While you're here, watch more videos to learn some fashion and get some easy tips on fashion. Until next time, bye.